Hello viewers, you're welcome back to our channel, Alluring 23. In today's video, we'll be learning together how to make knotless kinky twist. Subscribe to our channel if you are yet to. Click the like button and the share button. Use the comment section if you have any question. Please stay with us while the video lasts. So first of all, we'll start by cutting a straight line. After cutting a straight line, I'll go ahead to add my edge control. Then after adding my edge control, I'll make sure I arrange it to make it look neat, and I'll still go back to draw another straight line to ensure it's very neat and clean. So after that, I'm going to part, then divide it into 3 and start braiding. Then I'll be adding my kinky. I'll keep on adding to any desire of my, any size of my choice. And then after that, I'll start twisting. And ensure when you are twisting, your twisting should not be too strong and it should not be too soft to give it that bouncing look. So as you can see, it's looking bouncy and fine. So guys, watch till the end. If you have any question, ask on the comment section. Thank you. Thank you viewers for watching till this moment. This is what we have been able to achieve after some minutes. Continue to plait cause we have few minutes to round up. Thank you for watching this video till this end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in our next video. Bye.